Hey friends, welcome to the YouTube channel All About Electronics. Now, some of you might have already heard about the multivibrator circuits. In electronics, these multivibrator circuits are widely used. So in this video, let us quickly understand about the multivibrator circuits. So this multivibrator is the electronic circuit which is used to implement the two-state devices like oscillator, timer and flip-flop. Now here, the two states refers to the two voltage levels of the multivibrator like plus 15 volt and 0 volt. And if we talk in terms of the digital electronics, then it can be either high or low state, where here the high state represents the logic 1 and the low state represents the logic 0. And depending upon the number of stable states, the multivibrator can be divided in three types: astable, monostable and bistable multivibrators. So in astable multivibrator, the output will not remain stable in any of the two states. And if you see the output of the multivibrator will continuously changes between the two states. Now here, the time for which the output remains in the particular state can be decided by the passive components like resistor and the capacitor. And this type of astable multivibrator is widely used for the design of relaxation oscillator. Then the second type of multivibrator is the monostable multivibrator, and it is also known as the one-shot multivibrator. So in monostable multivibrator, there is a one stable state and one astable state. So in this multivibrator, the output remains in the stable state. But whenever some external trigger signal is applied, then output momentarily goes into the unstable state. And after some time, it comes back into the stable state. So the time required to come back into the stable state depends upon the passive components like R and C. So by selecting this R and C, we can decide the time for which the output will remain in the unstable state. So here, let's say 0 volt is the stable state of this multivibrator, and let's say 5 volt is the astable state. And similarly, exactly opposite is also possible. Let's say a 5 volt is the stable state of this multivibrator, and whenever some triggering action occurs, then the output goes into the unstable state, and let's say that is equal to 0 volt. So this type of multivibrator is widely used in the timer applications. So let's say in one particular application, after the certain time from the triggering action, one wants to turn on the relay. So in this type of applications, this monostable multivibrator is very useful. Then the third type of multivibrator is the bistable multivibrator. So in this multivibrator, both states are the stable state, and the output of the multivibrator can be in any of the two stable states. So let's say initially the output of the multivibrator is in one stable state, and whenever some triggering action occurs, then the output will go from one stable state to the another stable state. And unless some triggering action occurs, the output will remain in this second stable state. Now let's say after a certain time, if once again a triggering action occurs, then output will go back into the another stable state, and it will remain in that state unless and until once again the triggering action occurs. So this type of bistable multivibrator is used in the design of flip-flop. So these are the three types of multivibrators which are used in the design of different electronic components. And these three types of multivibrators can be designed using either op-amp, transistor or using the 555 timer ICs. So in the future videos, we will see that how these multivibrators can be designed using these components. So I hope in this short video you understood what is multivibrator and what are the different types of multivibrator circuits. So if you have any question or suggestion, do let me know here in the comment section below. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.